of crazy.
All my life has been a series of doors in my face, and then suddenly I bumped into you.
I was thinking the same thing, because it's like I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. And maybe it's the party talking or the chocolate fondue, but with you I found my place. And it's nothing like I've ever known before. Love is an open door.
Love is an open
door. Love is an open door with you, with you,
with you.
with you.
Love is an open door.
I mean, it's crazy.
What?
We finish each other's
Sandwiches.
That's what I was gonna
I
say.
never met someone
Who thinks so much like me? Jinx! Jinx again! A mental synchronization can have but one explanation. You
and I
were
just
meant to be.
Say goodbye.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open